Hi, I'm Jason Hentrich. I'm a forklift technician here at Modern in Bristol. I've been here for about a year now. I have a huge automotive background, also a background in auto racing. I got started at 15 years old working on cars, went to tech school in high school, and after I got done I was racing full time and went to work. A lot of this stuff does correlate from the automotive to the industrial technician. Every day is something new. It's never boring and it's never the same thing day after day. Pretty much anything that has come through for service and needs repair, we'll work on it. We work on a lot of LP trucks, we work on a lot of electric trucks, and a significant amount of diesels. So it's a wide variety. You have to keep an open mind when you're working on everything, that there's a lot of things that you've never seen before. Working for an ESOP company makes a world difference, because what happens is everybody works harder for a common goal. Everybody is trying to build a company, and the more the company builds, the better off you're going to be in the long run. Whether it's the service manager, the shop foreman, everybody in the shop is always here to help you. As far as long-term goals are concerned, for me, just to learn every single day, perfect the things that I already know, and to build on the things that I don't know. Long-term, I see myself continuing developing more relationships with customers and people that I work with, and just trying to get better. Every day you have to get better at this. Once you get here, you want to stay here. Be an open book. Learn as much as you possibly can. Even though some things may transfer over if you're coming from an automotive field, a lot of things are new. So you have to be an open book, you have to be open-minded, and you just have to learn as much as you possibly can. If you learn and you take in everything that you've learned, it's going to make you a better technician. It'll make you successful.